Dear friends, we are going to play a trick on percentage problems. Now suppose the problem is like this. If it is asked 51% of 40, we can easily do it in a traditional method, but here we are going to try it in some other way to do it faster. Because in competitive exams you have to do like this. We have to take it as 50 plus 1%, split it. We know that 50% of 40 is 20 and 1% of 40 is 0.4. So totally it makes it 20.4. This is the answer. So how fast could we do it? Another one. Let's do it in this way. 59% of 45. Again we split this number. 59 is 50 plus 10, it makes 60. 60 minus 1%, that is 59%. Now 50% of 45 is 22.5. 10% of 45 is 4.5. So we add it. Together they make it 27. Now minus 1%. Minus 1%. 1% of 45 means 0.45. So 27 minus 0.45 is equal to 26.55. So this is the answer. Now if you are asked to do 27% of 84, again we split it. 20%. 20% means 10% plus 10% plus 5% plus 1% plus 1%. Now 10% of 84 is 8.4. Again 10% is 8.4. 5% is half of this, that means 4.2. 1% is 0.84. Again 0.84. We added 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 4, 24, 24 plus 2, 26. Now 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 2, 4 is 22. So this is 22.68. This is the answer. Now 56% of 450. We increase the number slowly and slowly. 56% again we going to split it. 50 plus 5 plus 1% of 450. 50% of 450 is 225. 5% is 22.5. 1% is 4.5. This is 0. This is 2. This is 5. This is 2. This is the answer. So how fast could we do it? Now we are going to split in other way. How? We are going to teach you split percentage. Now suppose we are asked to do 65% of 90. We either do it by splitting the percentage, or we can do it by splitting the number. Here the number is 90, so we can split it in this way: 100 minus 10. Now 65% of 90. Here we are splitting the percentage. Again we are doing it this way: 50 plus 10 plus 5. 50% of 90 is 45. 10% is 9. 5% is 4.5. How much does it come to? 0.5, 8, this is 5. Okay, so this is the answer. Now we are going to split this way: 65% of 100 minus 10. If we are going to do it in this way, how? We are going to do it: 65 into 100%, that means 65 into 1, that is 65, and then 65 into 10%, that means 6.5. So 65 plus 6.5 is equal to this. We have to subtract 65 minus 6.5. This becomes 58.5. The same answer, either this way or this way. Now we are going to do 75% of 90. Here 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 of 90. 50% of 90 is 45. 10% of 90 is 9. 10% is 9. 5% is 4.5. 0.576. Okay, so this is the answer.